Hey, Procraftinators. Join me, your host, Rusty Shackelford, as I take you through another video of Amanda's epic card making. Here she's using some sky blue looking distress ink. She's going really fast, like she's on meth or something. Look at her go. Don't know where she's going with this, but it looks like it's going to be a faded color on one side so far. And it looks like she almost got her fingertips there. She doesn't go this fast normally, so you can tell this is sped up. She's always doing some kind of fading with the distress inks or something. Fun fact, those are her natural nails. She doesn't get a French pedicure. That's just how they grow. Ah, another blue color. This one looks a little bit more purplish than the other one. It looks just a little darker, more vivid. Now she's holding it with some tape, so you don't get her fingers all inky, I imagine. Yeah. Look at her go. Yeah. So, a little background. Her and Renee, if you haven't already figured it out, have teamed up to try and get us guys doing their voiceovers. So here we have, I don't know if it's the same blue as before or a different blue, but, well, I don't know. I guess she'll tell you at the end in some links or comments or something. Looks like she's going back to the other one. Oh, looks like we're getting ready for something else. Probably not glitter. She hates glitter. Ah, pixie spray. I don't know what part of the fairy that comes from, but I've never asked because I don't really want to know. Just pressing that down so it doesn't move or stuff gets under there and it's all crappy looking like you don't know how to paint or something. Those look like some magnets she stole from my collection. That'll hold it in place. Those magnets are strong as hell. So she must be gonna, yep, Nouveau expanding something or other. Looks copper colored to me. We'll call it copper. So she's mixing around a little bit, or a lot of bit. Yep. And mixing some more. I don't know how that thing's gonna stay there with that thick stuff going on there, but looks like she's getting it. Spreading it like peanut butter on toast. Hopefully it doesn't wreck the template like hard butter does on a toast, but looks like it's going alright there. Work in one direction, then back the other. Make sure you get it in all those little edges there. Otherwise, you'll get like half a triangle. That seems kind of like regular painting there. Just getting it all over the bottom there, but that's fine. If you go one direction to the other, you're going to end up with little gaps right there on the trailing side. Go in all the directions, make sure all the little edges get filled, and then plenty of mess on the mat. You got to do that. Cover it with the saran wrap or else it'll dry out. That really pisses her off. She did not like it when her stuff dries out. Lifting it up. Let's see what happened here. Look at that. Nice little scaly effect. Now she's holding it down with a little tool and hitting it with the heat gun. And it's bubbling up. Give it a little kind of makes it really look to me like scales on a snake or fish. No, not really fish. They have kind of smooth scales, but. Alright, now let's see what's going to happen. She's showing us the shiny and the texture. Ooh, ah. Alright, let's see what happens now. She got the little stamp jig thing out, and she got some kind of color by Gina K, it looked like. Probably black. Just put it on there, playing there. Look at that, that's a pretty good stamp for the first hit. But she's going to do it again just to make sure, and it's a little bit more darker. Some kind of duck blue. Ducks, I guess I've seen blue on ducks, but I don't necessarily know that that's a color I'd associate with a duck. More like sky blue to me, or blue of a 93 Ford Ranger 4x4. She's doing pretty good on her colors there. She's still in the beginning stages. Imagine about a year from now she's going to be pretty wicked at these old alcohol ink marker things, Copics or whatever. Spendy, really expensive markers. Apparently. She got a good deal during the COVID thing. A whole bunch of them. Let's see, she's probably going to variegate another color on there. Didn't see what that one was, but it looks like a lighter blue. Almost like a turquoise. That's what I'm going to call it. If you want a fancy name, we can call it desert turquoise. Yeah. Fading it right in there. Probably another third color coming up here. Let's see. Aqua mint or something. I guess that kind of looks like the middle color of aqua toothpaste there. Alright, now she's touching up the edges with black. That way you don't get a funny outline that you weren't planning on. That was a good idea. Probably something I would have done. Let's see, we're gonna look at that template or something going on here. Maybe she's gonna cut something out. It doesn't look like a cutting template, but we'll see. And she's off screen. I don't know what's going on there. She needs to. Oh, there you go. We're back on screen now. Alright, so what? Oh, it was a cutout. Maybe she ran that through off screen and you didn't see her do that. Maybe she ran it through the little roller cutter thing. Oh, was that like a... I think that's one of those dyes she does to put texture on it. Yep, there we go. Little diamond plate metal texture there. And on the metallic paper, or maybe it was something she did with that Nuvo stuff. Kind of the same color. So now she's taping that thing down again. Let's see what she's doing here. Oh, she cut that out. That had to have been what happened there. She cut that out. Yeah, now she's going to do a stack up. Get some glue on there. Got that pretty lined up pretty good there real quick. Now she looks like she's pressing it. Oh, she's using the eraser to get glue off of it or something. Or maybe she's doing that to press it down, who knows. I'm sure she'll tell you in the comments or something or other. Alright, what do we got now? Oh, more cleaning it off. It's going to be one clean diamond plate paper there. Maybe she's doing it for distressing it, make it look a little used or something. Now you're going to glue the plane on. Yep, make sure you get some on those thin pieces so they don't break off. Can't land the plane without no landing gear. Yep. Looking good. Alright, see what happens now. Now, looks like she's going to start putting some layers together to make it into a card. What she got there? Oh, more glue. I'll make sure it fits. Glue around the edges so it doesn't lift up on a corner, because that's annoying as hell. Hate that. Just OCD does not work with that. Make sure it's good and lined up. And she's patting it, so I imagine she didn't want to rub off that, that scale type pattern there. Maybe that stuff flakes off a little bit or something, I don't know. Alright, so now we got the stamp jig and holding it down with her magnets there. I think she uses this little stamp jig. I think she uses that just about every video. It's kind of one of her key tools. Yeah, and of course that black mat she's working on. Oh, so she got some VersaFine clear something or other. Something she's told me about a dozen times at least, and I still have no idea what it does. Because I'm a guy, and, well, yeah, we kind of forget things like that. Maybe if I actually used it, I would probably remember what it was, but yeah, now we're going to glue this onto the white part, I imagine. Plenty of glue, but not so much that it's going to get all funky looking and warped. And yep, nice and lined up. Now we're going to stick this on the front. Where'd the glue go? Unless we're doing something else. Can't tell. Oh, there we go. Ah, foam tape. You can't have a card without foam tape somewhere. I think her and Renee have a pact that every card has something or other on it, like foam tape or alcohol markers. Now we're going to put that on, probably with foam tape if I'm going to guess right. Oh, we're going to blend it. We're going to put some color on that bad boy. There we go. That'll make it pop out a little bit better. Lots of color. All her cards are usually pretty colorful. I don't think she's ever done anything monochromatic. And like I said, more foam tape. The foam tape really does give things a nice pop. And make even a simple card, you put at least one thing on there that pops up out of there. It's going to give it some depth and character. My favorite part is tearing that backing off. That's always fun. But you got to take the good with the bad, I guess. Look at that. You're just plain awesome. And so is that card. Camera's a little... There we go. There's some focus for you. Look at the shine. And no glitter. She hates glitter, if I didn't say that already. Alright, looks like we're pretty much at the end. Thanks for watching. And as always, check out Renee's video that is kind of a companion video to this. And hope your crafting goes well. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and share if you enjoy the videos.